You ready?
First stop, place out in Bloomingdale for our retail customer. It's the one Dave mentioned earlier. We have to look at his truck, Chevy Silverado, and then he probably has 2 or 3 coworkers.
Looks like something. These are definitely push marks, previous push marks.
Well, since the paint's cracked, what does that mean?
It's gonna need a body shop now. So we had a customer send photos in for an estimate. Based off the photos, we already let them know that we're probably going to have to pass on the job. It's most likely going to need a body shop. It looked like there were previous pushes. Someone else was in there pushing this cracked paint. So when we actually got here, that was the case. So we let the customer know that it does need a body shop. So this customer actually had 2 co-workers who also wanted estimates on their vehicles. So we didn't know what these cars looked like at all. We didn't know what was going to be entailed, if it was going to be big job, small job. Ended up being 2 vehicles, a Dodge Charger RT and then a Civic Si. These 2 vehicles, pretty much your typical door ding, door dent on a door. We went ahead and estimated them since we were on the spot. Here we were able to knock out both. It is 10 o'clock. We are actually going to switch around our schedule just a little bit. We do have 1 body shop in the afternoon that we're going to run to right now, take care of 1 car, and then actually go work on our hail car. So we have the rest of the afternoon to just work on that. It's going to take a couple hours. There's damage on the hood, the roof, the trunk. To work on a hail car, Subaru STI. We estimated this car 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
About 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Finally got the car approved by the insurance company. Got everything set up. We estimated the car mobily for hail at the customer's residence. They contacted their insurance company. Insurance company contacted us. We set them up with the body shop that we run all of our hail damage through. And they just dropped it off, so we are pretty much about to go work on it. And that'll be that.
Yeah, guys, it's really difficult. It's very difficult. I thought it was a lot easier when I first started, but pushing on more metals, pushing in general, it's a really difficult process. It's not easy at all.
You'll get it. He'll get it. It'll be fine. had some time to kill, and what we did was have lunch. Stuff. But once you get it, like there is, what is it? Pot of gold. The pot of gold is at the end of the rainbow.